Hey mid-century modernaires, Adrian Kinney here. I wanted to check in and see how everyone was doing. I know we're living in a completely different world than we were even 3-4 months ago after COVID-19 reared its ugly head to the world and really stalled everything. And I really appreciate all the frontline workers that have worked their butt offs and truly put their lives on the line, from healthcare workers to delivery to grocery stores. Things we never thought would actually be frontline when they're the ones really propping us up this whole time. So thank you to all of them for doing the hard lifting and keeping us fed and healthy best we can during all these times. I hope all of you have had some reflective time to kind of figure out what is most meaningful in your lives. I know this has really caused a lot of pause for everybody to figure out and readjust and find a new way forward. And unfortunately, I think it took something this massive to find what is important to everybody and what truly matters to make the world go round. I also wanted to check in. I will be releasing a video series here, and I hope maybe it can put a smile on some faces. It's a little amateur, I don't know, fix and flip type video. And I always hate calling it a fix and flip. I much prefer to call it a rehab project, as essentially that's what they are to me. I finished up my 5th Cliff May project in Denver, Colorado. That's in the little enclave in Harvey Park. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It was a really cool project. I had actually had the clients before I purchased the property, and they said they'd be on board giving some design input for it, picking out some colors and appliances, and I think I really liked the final product. I did it in the old school VH1 pop-up video fashion, which is giving some behind the scenes, just some little tidbits of myself to myself. But I think you'll really like it. So I hope you do enjoy. Please give feedback, reach out. We'll be releasing 1 or 2 every day or so. So please enjoy. Look forward to talking with you all very soon. Thanks a lot, mid-century modernaires. Have a great day.